Welcome back to Grandma's Alice Kitchen. I had some special requests for my Sambal Belacan recipe. The ingredients I use for my Sambal Belacan is red chili, some bird's eye chili, lime, this is the lime juice, sugar and belacan. First, you must fry the belacan for 3 to 4 minutes. Add your red chili and bird's eye chili into a blender. Add the fried belacan, brown sugar, and quarter of a cup of lime juice. Blend them together. You blend until the chili seeds are all softened up. Okay. Add more sugar if it's too spicy for you. If it is too spicy, you don't have to add too much chili in the beginning. Try to agar-agar based on your preference. I like my Sambal Belacan to be spicy.
Say why you like it to be spicy.
It's very shock. You try a little bit.
Wow.
Better drink water.
Spicy.
Drink water.
And that was the death of the cameraman.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe and be healthy. That's all. ว่าขอลูกเอาเลยไป